If your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus is overheating, so in this video I will show you how you can fix this issue. First of all, just make sure that you use Apple's original charger to charge your iPhone. Because if you use a charger which is not supported from Apple, this will not only damage your iPhone but it will also cause overheating issues. Now after that, just open Settings, then tap on General. Under the General settings, just tap on Software Update. And from here, just check if you have any software update available, as this could be a software glitch which will be fixed through a software update. After you do that, then go back and under the General settings, just tap on Background App Refresh. And from here, just disable the toggle for the apps which you don't want to refresh in the background. Just leave the toggle enabled for the apps which you want to refresh in the background, like for social media apps and for messaging apps. And after you do that, then go to your home screen and swipe up from the bottom of the screen and open the recent apps section. Now, if there are apps opened in the recent apps section, let's say if you open the recent apps section and if you find apps opened in the background, just swipe up and remove them from the recent apps section. Just like that. Also after that, just open the control center and open the connection section in the control center. Now, if you're using Wi-Fi, then just disable mobile data and personal hotspot. And also if you're not using Bluetooth, just turn it off and turn off AirDrop if you're not using it. Also avoid using your iPhone in direct sunlight, because if you use your iPhone in direct sunlight with the screen on its peak brightness, so this will cause the overheating issue. So avoid using your iPhone in direct sunlight. But if you have done all that and if none of these methods worked, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the overheating issue on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.